Hello, welcome to Market Analysis channel. Today I will be analyzing Polkadot. Polkadot is launching a very strong move and it has been preparing for some time now. It has been making its basis and it's only those who get in on time can benefit from this several thousand% move Polkadot is about to launch. I will take my time to break down this analysis for you so you can get the actual price to come in and you can see the target that Polkadot will reach, and you can tell how much money it's going to make you within the shortest space of time. Let me show you a pattern that Polkadot did in the past, and that pattern is forming again, which will repeat itself and lead to a massive bull run that is going to catapult Polkadot to several thousand% increase, and is going to make you a lot of money. Let me quickly zoom into the chart, share it with you. You can see the benefits and you can see the trade advantage. When Polkadot was introduced, it formed a sideways trading range. It formed a band which it marked the top of the band around this particular price, that's around 6.1189, then to the bottom of it, which is around 4.5078. Then it break out with a huge bar. When Polkadot break out from this particular huge bar, it had a very nice run. Let me zoom in so you can see exactly what happened when it broke out from this bar. It has a very massive bull run. Then it peaked. The bull run started from the top of the breakout of the range, and the bull run extended to an high of over several thousand%. It stopped here. That was how powerful this small rectangular pattern, the pattern that we call, this was how powerful it is. It launched the wave of an upward rally in the bigger square box. Polkadot is now forming this type of pattern. It's repeating the same formation, which will also launch a massive upward trend, which will be a very big profit for traders. Let me get into the analysis now of the current pattern that is happening in Polkadot. When you look at point 1 to point 2, that's like the peak and the low of the sideways pattern that Polkadot is forming. Let me zoom in very clear. When you now look at this top of point 1 to point 2, it has marked a peak and the floor. Then the price keeps ranging in between. And as it is ranging, we are expecting it to come back to the high and break out above 7.8880. Immediately Polkadot gets to that particular price, we need two things to confirm our trade is going to kick off. One, we need a huge volume like this particular one, a huge volume that's above the average volume, and we need an upward closing bar, a bar that is in blue that close near the top of its range. Then that will be the beginning of another bull run, which Polkadot will repeat again. And when you see, Polkadot will start from the peak of the pattern, which is above the point 1, and it will run rapidly, breaking above its prior resistance and going up to several percentage increase. This is the target of Polkadot. If you are a picky trader, you can target a price of around 53.4354, and if you still want to leave your position, we can expect it to rise up from there. But the first bankable profit that you can make from Polkadot is to take your profit at 53.4354. This is the analysis on Polkadot. You can see the entry gave you the target price. Now let me explain the entry price. the entry price for this massive run in Polkadot, let me take this the entry price for this massive run in Polkadot is immediately it breaks above the high at 0.1. That will be the beginning of the trade, and then we can start expecting Polkadot to rise and make the massive move. The entry point will be any price above 7.8880. That's when the uptrend will resume and Polkadot will continue a strong and superpower rally to hit its long-time peak. If this analysis really help you, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, like the video and post your question in the comment section.